सुप्रभातं। नमो नमः। नमो गुरुभ्यः। अद्य लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुद्यां वर्णितं तृतीयं सूत्रं पश्यामः. Today let us see the third sutra described in Lekhusiddhanta Kaumudi. We have learned about two technical terms in Paninian grammar, and they are it and lopa. We have learned about it through the sutra Halantyam, and we have learned about lopa through the sutra Adarshanam lopa. Halantyam and Adarshanam lopa are two Sajna sutras as they define technical terms in Vyakarana. The sutra Tasya Lopaha is a Vidhi sutra. It explains about an operation in grammar, and it says about lopa or elision. So this sutra just not define a term. It says about an operation and it compels us to do that. Let us see the sutra. It is the 9th sutra in the 3rd pada of the first chapter in Ashtadhyayi. Tasya lopaha iti dvipadam sutra. It has two words, tasya and lopaha. Anena sutrena ittaha lopam vidhiyate. Anena sutrena, by this sutra, ittaha lopam vidhiyate. The elision or lopa of it is explained. Ittaha is the Shashti form of the term it. It, ittaha. Upadeshe it iti padadvayam anuvartate. Two words are borrowed from another sutra, and they are Upadeshe and it. Now let us see the meaning explained in Lekhusiddhanta Kaumudi. Tasya lopaha. Tasyeto lopaha syat. Nadayo anadyarthaha. The first line is the meaning of the sutra. Tasyeto lopaha syat. Padachetaha. Tasya itaha lopaha syat. We have learned about the term it in the previous class. The last vyanjana or the consonant letter in the Upadesha is termed as it. Tasya itaha. For that it, lopaha syat. Elision happens. So the last vyanjana letter in Upadesha is it, and this it will get deleted with this sutra Tasya lopaha. The meaning of this line is thus: Tasyeto lopaha syat. For that it, elision happens. Let us see an example. The Maheshwara Sutras. They are Upadesha, and the last Vyanjana letter in Maheshwara Sutras are N, K, Ng, Ch, etc. And they are all its. As these letters are its, they will get deleted by the operation of the sutra rule Tasya lopaha. Naturally, we will have a doubt. Then why these letters are included in these sutras, and what is their purpose? Are they useless? And we will have a doubt, and for clearing that doubt, Lekusiddhanta Kaumudi states thus in its second line, Nadayo Anadyarthaha. Padachetaha Nadayaha Anadyarthaha. Nadayaha, N Adayaha. Adayaha means etc. N etc. The first sutra in Maheshwara Sutra is Ayun. And the last letter, the Vyanjana letter, which has the status of it, is N. So, N Adayaha means N etc. It denotes all the letters in Maheshwara Sutras, all the it letters in Maheshwara Sutras. So, Nadayaha, those consonants in Maheshwara Sutras starting from the first it letter N, Anadyarthaha, they have a purpose and they are for making the codes like An, etc. These codes are named as Pratyaharas in grammar, and we will learn about these Pratyaharas and codes later. And the purpose of these Vyanjana sounds or its in Maheshwara Sutra is thus, they are for making Pratyaharas like An, etc. The meaning of the line is thus, those consonants in Maheshwara Sutras starting from N are for making Pratyaharas like An, etc. Let us conclude this class by commenting on the sutra. Tasya lopaha. Tasya lopaha iti dvipadam sutram. It is a two-word sutra and it has tasya and lopaha as its words. Vidhi sutram idam. Idam means this. Vidhi sutram idam. This is a Vidhi sutra. Upadeshe it iti anuvartate. Two words are borrowed from another sutra and they are Upadeshe and it. Anena sutrena. By this sutra, Itsajñaka varnasya lopam vidhiyate. Lopam or elision of Itsajñaka varna. The letter which has the term it is explained. Then the meaning of the sutra, tasya itaha lopaha syat iti sutrarthaha. Tasya itaha, for that it, lopaha syat, elision happens. Thus is the meaning. Nadayaha anadyarthaha. The consonants in Maheshwara Sutras starting from N is for making codes or pratyaharas like An, etc. Yatha, for example, Maheshwara Sutreshu pratyekam sutre. Maheshwara Sutreshu, in Maheshwara Sutra, pratyekam sutre antyasya vyanjana varnasya. The last letter in each sutra gets the status of it by the sutra हलन्त्यम्. तस्य लोपः इति सूत्रेण लोपः च. Through the sutra tasya lopaha, it will get deleted. So this is all about the sutra tasya lopaha. धन्यवादः.